Okay, in this video we're going to check the latest version of Unreal Engine, which is Unreal Engine 5. And not so long ago it was released the early access version that you could download from the internet or from the official website. So you can search for early access Unreal Engine 5. We did another video about downloading and installing this version here, and you will find it in the YouTube channel. Just search for Unreal Engine 5 or UE5 and you're gonna find that particular video guide. So for those of you who already know how this thing works, it basically you need to just do the thing that you do always when you want to update Unreal Engine. So you get into the Epic Games Launcher and you will find in the Unreal Engine page the new, there you go. So you will find the UE5 section here, and this is where you can download and install. It's gonna take a little bit because it's big. It's about 35 gigabytes, so it's gonna take some time, so be patient. Now, for those of you who are really new to Unreal Engine, what you need to do first is to download and install Epic Games Launcher. So again, it's pretty simple to do this. Once you installed, you get to this page, you click on download early access, and then you can launch it from here as well, or with an icon on your desktop that looks like this. There you go. Oops. All right. Now, if you don't know how to download and install Epic Games Launcher, it's pretty easy, but if you want to, you can be helped here in our YouTube channel. Just search for Epic Games Launcher. Okay. And you will see also how to install games with the Epic Games Launcher, free games and other stuff. All right, so let's start. Let's see what this Unreal Engine 5 is about. This is an early access, so this is how it presents itself. This is the presentation page. Nothing so fancy, but I can see here my previous projects and I can open it up from here. And I have some ArchiCAD here and MetaHumans, also V-Ray for Unreal Engine, Rhino. You can check all these. These are all part of video guides in the channel. So these are recent projects. Let's go to games. So we can see here the games section stays the same, basically. Now it just changes the way that you can start a project. Now, in the previous version, you couldn't see all this all together. Now this is more practical. And also it shows us where we can actually use Unreal Engine 5 or previous versions in games, film and video, live events, and architecture, engineering, construction, automotive product design, and manufacturing. Now, from what I can see here, everything is kind of the same as usual. I don't see any new added design here. Maybe here, something here, maybe this envelope augmented reality. And here we can choose where what we want to get inside the model. Okay, let me try with this one here. Yeah, I think the templates are all the same. So maybe if I want to download something better, I can go into the marketplace and download a scene made with Unreal Engine 5. I think that they will start to appear here soon. So I will go here and search for UE5 and maybe I can find something more interesting than the usual templates. Okay, no content found. Let's see here in Epic Games content if we have something. So you can check the, for example, let's select here this this one here. This is okay. You can check the version. For example, this is 4.26, so it's not 5 yet. So I guess what I'm guessing is that we need to wait a little bit to have more scene here that we can use with Unreal Engine 5. Right now we don't have much. We just can give a quick look to the actual new version, but nothing it's out yet, so it's just a preview. So let's open up one of these projects with Unreal Engine 5. I want to open up this photo studio. So I will do as usual, select a folder and call it UE 5 test and create. Okay, so it took a while to open up this scene. It's pretty heavy, so you can also open another scene, and I'll explain you why in just a minute. Now, if we see here, it's still compiling shaders. Now, this looks beautiful, but this is nothing new from the previous version on Unreal Engine 4. It has the same lights, the same actors. Basically, they may look a little bit different, but they are doing the same identical job that they do before. So I chosen this scene here because I want to test perhaps if they added a new lighting system, or if they added, I don't know, well, some of the new features, but I don't see any of the new features here. I just see the old features but with a brand new interface. So I guess that in this new early access, new version of Unreal Engine early access, we don't really can get the overall understanding of what it's gonna be Unreal Engine 5. They are just showing us the interface. So yes, the interface is a little bit different, but talking about the overall look and feel. About the tools are basically the same of the previous 4.26, I think, version. So it's just an early access, but we can just check the new interfaces basically. Now the most important change in this interface here is that we have the content drawer. It's not called the browser anymore, it's called the drawer, and it's down at the bottom. So we can click here and open it up, and then click here and close it back again. We can still dock it, and this is gonna look like the previous Unreal Engine version. Also, the part here on the left has changed a little bit as well. We have this like hamburger menu where we can customize the view here, so we can change all this stuff from here now. And also we can change the view, the mode which we want to check the scene. Well, but these are all tools that were already in the previous version. We just have a different user interface in terms of icons, colors, and structure. So here also all the tools remain the same, just different look. And also here at the top, we don't have the creation panel anymore. To the left we have these drop down menus, which is pretty handy. So I think they just made a structure that don't no, let me close this content drawer, that lets a lot of space to the workspace here at in the middle, and less space to the various panels and tools and toolbars around. But everything then is the same of the previous version. We still have the build, which apparently should be gone with the next version, but here is still here. So it technically is the same version of the 4.26, but just changes the interface. So this is just a quick look, nothing else than that. So you can get accustomed to the new interface. Looks nice, looks clean and simple and well structured. Maybe it's even lighter. I don't really understand that. I'm not be able to feel it, but could be lighter than the previous software. Well, that's basically it. It's just an introduction. We are waiting for the new Unreal Engine version, which should arrive in the summer. And in the meanwhile, you can check our other videos here in our YouTube channel about the Unreal Engine. Just get in here and search for Unreal Engine in the search, and you will find all the videos about Unreal Engine that we published before. You can also be probably interested in V-Ray for Unreal Engine. You will find the English video courses in the playlist page at the top. English video courses right here. And please support our work, support our projects by subscribing or joining. And also you can check these links at the top. If you want to use these applications here, we will get rewarded together. And well, that's basically it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.